Hi guys, Ben here at Cut Motorcycles. Here we have our 2017 Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. Really nice clean bike. Comes with an Arrow can. It's got the pillion seat with it as well. Currently got a seat cowl on. It's just ticked over 12,000 miles. I think there's 5 stamps in the service book. Nice clean bike. So I'll give a quick walk around, try and point out any little defects. The whole is very nice and tidy. There's one slight bit of pitting on one casing, which we'll get to on the other side. But on the whole, all the paintwork, casings, the metalwork's all really nice and clean. Got the old ends nice and tidy in and around the shock area and on the swing arm. It's just had a new chain and sprocket. You can see, really nice and clean. This side again, really nice and clean. The only bit I mentioned is this bit of pitting here, just on the darker grey. So the front and there. So I mean, you could swap that casing out or put an orangey cover on. It'd completely disappear. Apart from that, the bike is pretty much unmarked. Really nice and clean. Like I say, it's just ticked over 12,000 miles. So you get your rider modes, heated grips. There you have it. Really nice clean rider's bike. Good condition, good history with it. If you've got any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.